Hey everyone, long time no see. I was trying to put up a video last week because if I don't do tutorial, I'm doing swatches or and you know with this season that with the fall season and the holiday seasons, there's a lot to show. So sorry I didn't get a video up last week, but I had no appointments today, so I'm really happy. I'm exhausted. Somebody tried to get me to come in today, and I'm like, nope. Just so happy I got today off. So I'm gonna do the gold part of Air. So what I put is this. This is Revlon. It was like a limited edition. It's a stick. I think it was for the holidays, and it's supposed to be to give you gold highlight, but I just used it on my eyes. And it's hot. I'm gonna have to put up the fan, sorry. I know it's loud, but it's hot. Got this at Target. It's limited time. When you get a unicorn icy, it's really a watermelon icy. You get this cup. So I put the brushes in there. So I'm gonna put that gold color. I'm not sure why, but I had to put a lot of, do it about 3 or 4 times to really get a good coverage. And then take that nice bronzy color right there. This really makes a mess. It goes into the other, it like bleeds into the other colors or blends into them. And as one guru said, it's Wet and Wild, so we forgive them. Their release of the Fantasy Makers, it's like one of these people gonna do the right thing by us. There's another problem gonna happen, or I should say happening. Wow, that was strong. I put a lot because, oh brother, I guess I'll just have to tone it down with the highlighter color. But you see how all that fallout, and it's going into that pretty pink color, and then the gold is right next to it. That light gold color is right next to it, between that pretty pink and that bronze. And I don't know if you can tell. And man, it's gonna be a pain. Wow. Pigmented though, not like the lid color. I had to put like so many coats. This and the brown are very pigmented. I noticed last week I didn't go high enough, or at least it looked like I did, and I think it's because these colors are kind of frosty, so it gotta really work at it to try and get it right, because it can overpower, and then you gotta do it over and over again. Alright, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, again, sorry I have the fan on. I know it's loud, but it gets cool, and then it gets humid, and then it gets cool, and then it gets humid. It's very frustrating. My niece gave me this idea of she tried doing a rose gold in her hair, but you know, us dark-haired women, especially us Latina women, we our hair doesn't lift higher than an orange. It takes a lot of work to get it to a blonde. It didn't come out the way she wanted, but then I told her about Kiss Express, and then it gave me the idea when they called me. My brother called me and said, hey, they have rose gold here. And I'm like, cool, I'm getting it. But what I decided to do was get Olea Garnier. OMG, it is not like L'Oreal killed me when I wore that. This was awesome using this, and basically you could tell it took to my silver, but as usual, like it didn't take to the very front of my silver. It's just stubborn. So that's what I did with my hair. That's why it's wet. For the highlighter, let me just say I used Air. I tried to go heavy this time because last time I over blended it. And I just used Mellow Wine from Wet n Wild. And the other two choices I had for the glosses was like a nude and this frosty gold. And I really wanted to try the frosty gold, but what I should have did was put the nude underneath because this is a little bit overpowering. It's just a little bit too much. So anyway, that's what I did. I'm wearing a very old Wet n Wild color called Black Ice, and it's like a blackened red with green, with like a green, like a shimmer, but it's like almost like a green duochrome, I would say, but it's hard to see the green duochrome. And then I put some of the brown and green pigment on this nail. My nails were growing long. I went to wrap them about 2 weeks ago, and because I barely used my asp gel, my lightless gel, I only used it. I don't even think I used it 4 times. I think I might have used it 3, maybe 4 times, and it thickened on me. I cut it open. You can see like at least a third of the bottle just got thickened on me. So I just used regular glue, and OMG, that did not work. It was horrible. It was peeling and taking my nail with it, so I had to cut them all again. This is my longest one. I guess I didn't cut it as short as the other ones. But anyway, that's what's going on with the outer beauty.